Hey, what's up guys? Jeremy from iDeviceMovies, and I got an awesome tweak to do a full review on for you guys in this video. Now, I've done a video on this tweak before, but that was more of a overview. This will be the full review, and it is iReminder, and it's by the developer greensnow. And there was a update for this tweak today that added an awesome feature that I think you guys should see. Now, basically what iReminder does is it allows you to put notes or reminders on the lock screen. You can choose the font color, the size of the font, how much text you want on your lock screen. It does not interfere with notifications, and you don't have to use it for notes. As you can see, you can just simply put like a name. There's just tons of possibilities with this tweak. It's just very intuitive. So let's jump into the settings panel for iReminder. First toggle is iPad version. The iPad is supported for this tweak. Now you can edit on lock screen. So edit your notes and reminders on the lock screen. Custom color. There is a whole array of different colors here. You can also have use a random color. And custom font. Now this is a huge bonus with this tweak. In here you can choose from 184 different fonts. So let me scroll through this for you guys, just to give you an idea of how many fonts there really are. There's a ton. So let's just pick a random new font. Now you can also resize the text size. So let's just turn that up a little bit and now let's take a look at it. So there you go. And the coolest thing about the fonts is if you sit here and you just want to do a run through and figure out what you want, just click on it and go to your lock screen and it changes in real time. So there's no respringing involved with this, which is another awesome thing about this tweak. I actually like that. I almost might keep it like that. That looks pretty cool. So yeah, text resizing, center the text. So if you have it uncentered, it obviously goes along the left-hand side of the screen like a normal, text note or whatever you want to say. Now, display notes.app or more notes.app, I will get back to that in a second here. And you can also hide your notes or reminders while charging. That is another part of this update that does work. So if you turn that on, when your battery comes up, it will make your notes and everything disappear. Now here is the explanation. If you do get this tweak, I suggest to read this entire explanation. He tells you how to do everything with this tweak. And here are your reminders, and as you can see, you can have a ton. And you can obviously type out something, longer than what I have. I'll just show you, you can make it as long as you want, basically. Let me exit this to get rid of that keyboard. So you have all the reminders, and now here, iReminder Notification Center. This is in beta. So this is not working 100% yet, but when the update comes out for Notification Center, I will be covering it. Now here is the cool thing about this update that he came out with. Mini iReminders. So just let me turn this on quick. You can edit them from the lock screen. And I do like the lined background, so I'll just show you what those all are here in a second. Now, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want titles for everything. Now, I'm just kind of giving you an idea of, there's just endless things you could use this for. I just made up these titles, and I do have corresponding notes in my notes application. So I have like a grocery list and a test and so on and so forth. Now back up here, you're going to want to display notes and have more notes. So turn those toggles on. Now let's go into the Notes application, the stock iOS Notes application. Okay, so now let's just do this. And as you can see, you have a new button here called iReminder. Click on iReminder. Now let's see, this is for the test. And I'll just add each one of these. Groceries. And Apple. Okay, so now I set, basically, you make your titles and then you make your corresponding notes for them. Now let's check this out on the lock screen, guys. There you go. Okay, so this is going to get even cooler. You can interact with these. So if you're using it as a grocery list, you can literally edit it right on the lock screen. So let's say I got the eggs at the grocery store, you can just delete that. And dismiss by, no, it's not, there we go, by swiping down like so. Now another cool thing is, say you're getting groceries and you're not deleting them, you're just reading them, and you're down at OJ, orange juice there. If you power down and power back up, it stays right where you left off. And you can edit, it's just an awesome tweak. One update it's going to need is to be able to see what you're typing on the bottoms, but it does work. Let's just get that keyboard to go away there. And there's just a ton of different things you could use this tweak for. So let's go back into the settings panel. Now the used lined background is so that there's the note lines behind there, as you see. So if you turn that off, it's just plain looking paper like so. And that's basically it. That is the mini iReminders. Here's the main part of iReminder. And at the very bottom, you can donate to greensnow. You can actually message him directly, and make sure you follow him on Twitter. Now you can pick up iReminder from the modmyi repo for just 99 cents. Let me know what you guys think about this tweak in the comments. This is Jeremy from iDeviceMovies, and I'll catch you guys later.